Oh, don't worry, Vic. After I've eaten these, I'll smell so fishy that the gull will think I'm a giant sardine. It'll land on me straight away.
I'm not too sure about this, Dad.
You see, Jure, my shirt smelled of fish. That's what attracted the gull. It should leave me alone now I'm wearing a clean one.
I can't smell much difference, Gorm. Maybe that one's more cod and this one's more herring, but they both smell of fish. Yes, it's definitely the smell of your shirt.
I've got to find Halvar!
Sorry, Dad, but there's no sign of the gull.
It may be that you still don't smell of fish enough.
Oh, look! There it is!
Halvar! I've washed my shirt, but it still smells of fish.
Go away, Gorm! The gull's going to land on me!
Gorm's shirt, Dad. Put it on.
Oh, give me that. Here, birdie, birdie. Birdie, birdie. Ooh. Come down. Come on. No. Wait, birdie, birdie. Wait for me. Come on.
Oh, I think that qualifies as cheating, Halvar.
Remember what we said?
The barrel, Fax! The barrel!
Would you mind getting into the barrel, please?
What are you doing, Fax? This is supposed to be a punchy commando operation. You've got to grab Gorm and throw him into the barrel.
It's the only way to keep Halvar as chief, Gorm. We mustn't let the seagull find you.
You're right. Take me as far away from the village as you can.